Welcome to our Virginia DMV Prep series. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Section 1, Testing. Whether you're just starting or preparing to retake the test, this is your first step. Let's go. Question 1. What tests are required to get a driver's license in Virginia? You must pass 3 tests: a vision screening, a knowledge exam, and a road skills test. These are designed to ensure you understand the rules of the road and can drive safely. Question 2. What's on the knowledge exam? It's divided into 2 parts. 1. Traffic signs. You must correctly answer all 10 traffic sign questions in Part 1 of the exam before you can take Part 2 of the exam. 2. General knowledge. You need at least an 80% score. This includes laws, safety tips, and penalties. Question 3. Can I take the test in a different language or with audio? Yes. The knowledge exam is offered in several languages like Spanish, Chinese, Korean, and more. You can also ask for an audio version if you prefer. Question 4. What happens if I fail the knowledge test? If you're under 18, you must wait 15 days before retaking it. Over 18, you can retry the next business day, but each attempt has a testing fee, so study well. Question 5. What do I need to bring with me to the DMV? You'll need documents to prove your identity, legal presence, social security number, and Virginia residency. Visit the DMV site for the full checklist. Question 6. What is the vision screening test at the Virginia DMV? The vision screening test checks if you can see well enough to drive safely. It measures your visual acuity, how clearly you see, and sometimes your peripheral vision. Question 7. What vision standard do I need to pass the test? To qualify for a driver's license, your vision must be 20/40, or better in one or both eyes, with or without corrective lenses. If your vision is worse than that, you may be referred to an eye care professional for further testing. Question 8. Can I wear glasses or contact lenses during the test? Yes. If you wear corrective lenses to pass the test, your license will include a restriction requiring you to wear them while driving. Question 9. How do I prepare for the knowledge test? Read the official Virginia Driver's Manual, take online practice tests, and use flashcards for signs and penalties. Consistent review is the key. Question 10. Is the test the same for everyone? Not exactly. The commercial driver's license and motorcycle license have their own specific exams, so make sure you're studying the right materials for your license type. That wraps up Section 1, Testing. You now know what to expect and how to prepare. In our next video, we'll cover how to get your learner's permit and license in Virginia. Like and subscribe, and check the description for free DMV resources and practice tests.